Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tinted sunscreen is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products for people with oily skin, offering the perfect blend of sun protection and a natural, shine-free finish. Finding the right tinted sunscreen can be tricky, but with careful consideration of factors like SPF level, formula type, and shade range, you can achieve flawless, protected skin without that heavy, greasy feeling many sunscreens leave behind. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the ideal tinted sunscreen to keep your skin healthy and radiant. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Anthelios Tinted Sunscreen. This tinted sunscreen offers superior broad-spectrum SPF 40+ protection. It's perfect for daily use and leaves no white cast. It shields your skin from the sun's harmful UVA and UVB rays. Enjoy worry-free sun protection. It's formulated with antioxidants to help combat free radical damage and promote healthy skin. This helps protect against premature aging. These gentle mineral filters provide effective sun protection. It's suitable for even the most sensitive skin. It comes in 4 shades to seamlessly blend with your skin tone. It provides natural-looking coverage without a white cast. It's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores. It's a great choice for all skin types. What we like? It's oil-free and won't clog pores, plus it offers multiple shades to match various skin tones. If you have oily skin and want a natural-looking finish, this is the one for you. It provides great coverage without that chalky look, making it perfect for everyday wear. It's also suitable for those who want a sunscreen that seamlessly blends in without leaving a noticeable white cast. What people say. I've been using the La Roche-Posay Anthelios Tinted Sunscreen SPF 40+, and it's been a solid addition to my skincare routine. I love that it offers broad-spectrum protection with both titanium dioxide and zinc oxide while also being oil-free and oxybenzone-free. As someone with combination skin, I appreciate that it doesn't feel greasy or clog my pores. The tinted formula blends nicely and helps even out my skin tone without looking cakey or leaving a white cast. It feels lightweight, blends easily, and doesn't leave any greasy residue. Perfect for a no-makeup look. It feels mature and breathable, with no fragrance, no itchiness, and absolutely no white cast. The finish is oil-free, no shiny or greasy look, and it keeps my skin hydrated without needing to apply a lot. The tint blends perfectly, and I love that it's packed with antioxidants. Number 4. Australian Gold Botanical SPF 50. It's a gentle, tinted mineral lotion with zinc and titanium. This provides broad-spectrum protection against harmful UV rays, leaving a refreshing, powdery finish. This weightless lotion blends perfectly, improving your complexion by minimizing uneven color, fine lines, and wrinkles. It's great for everyday use, even on sensitive skin. It's an oil-free, mattifying daily sunscreen that doubles as a BB cream. It won't clog pores and provides light coverage for a natural makeup look. It's infused with soothing elements like eucalyptus and red algae. These antioxidant-rich plants fight free radicals for nourished skin. This hypoallergenic sunscreen has a subtle tint and is so light and refreshing you can use it every day. It's perfect for any adventure. It's non-nano and free of parabens, PABA, phthalates, petroleum, SLS, dyes, and oils. It's also dermatologist and pediatrician tested, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. What we like? This mineral-based sunscreen gives you a beautiful matte finish without feeling heavy. If you are looking for a natural, lightweight option that's suitable for sensitive skin, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those with medium to tan skin tones who want a sunscreen that acts as a makeup base, providing a flawless look all day long. It's also a great option for those who want a sunscreen that's gentle on their skin. What people say. I really like the matte texture, the subtle tint, the physical-only SPF. 0 white cast. Period. It has a sufficient, but low zinc content, 4%, with the addition of the much more forgiving titanium dioxide, also 4%. No shine. It is truly sweat and water resistant. Number 3. EltaMD UV Elements Tinted Sunscreen. This tinted sunscreen offers broad-spectrum SPF 50 protection. It's perfect for daily use and helps protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. It's lightweight and breathable, so it won't clog your pores. You'll barely feel it on your skin. This sunscreen uses mineral ingredients to provide gentle, effective sun protection. It's suitable for even the most sensitive skin. It's a tinted moisturizer, so it evens out your skin tone and gives you a natural, radiant look. No need for extra makeup. It's packed with antioxidants to help protect your skin from environmental stressors. This helps keep your skin healthy and youthful. It's specially formulated for dry and sensitive skin. It's hydrating and won't irritate your skin. It comes in a convenient pump bottle for easy dispensing. It's perfect for on-the-go application. What we like. It's packed with antioxidants and works as a tinted moisturizer, providing hydration and sun protection. If you have dry or sensitive skin and want a product that nourishes your skin while protecting it from the sun, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a sunscreen that adds a touch of color and hydration to their skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. It's also ideal for those who want a sunscreen that's easy to apply and blends seamlessly into the skin. What people say. It is lightweight and moisturizing. Looks great if you don't have time to mess with makeup. Another great thing about it is that does not cause acne and rosacea flare-ups. The new packaging is more convenient, and the formula feels even smoother and easier to apply. I haven't noticed any reactions on my sensitive skin, which is a big plus. The tint blends well, and it still provides great protection. It's a wonderful product, giving me the SPF that I need while still covering a few of my sunspot blemishes. There's no bad smell and it doesn't smell like sunscreen. The product blends super easy into your skin and I dare say that my skin looks pretty good lately. The product feels super light on your face, so it's definitely not a foundation like the Ilia skin tint I was leaning towards. Number 2. EltaMD UV Restore SPF 40. This is EltaMD UV Restore, a revolutionary sunscreen designed to protect and repair sun-damaged skin. It's lightweight and provides broad-spectrum SPF 40 protection. It uses mineral sunscreens, gentle on sensitive skin. This means it's a safe and effective choice for daily use. This sunscreen isn't just about protection, it also helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's a true anti-aging powerhouse. Specifically formulated to help repair sun-damaged skin, it helps restore your skin's natural radiance. It's perfect for those who need extra care. It's lightweight and comfortable to wear, so you can enjoy all-day protection without feeling heavy or greasy. It's the perfect everyday sunscreen. With a broad-spectrum SPF 40, it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. It's your shield against the sun's harmful effects. What we like. This mineral sunscreen is formulated to help repair sun-damaged skin and reduce the appearance of aging. If you are looking for a sunscreen that helps protect and repair your skin from sun damage, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a sunscreen that helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines, leaving their skin looking younger and healthier. It's also a great option for those with mature skin who want a sunscreen that provides both protection and anti-aging benefits. What people say. It gives you glass skin. The tint is also perfect, not too much but enough to even your complexion. Feels cool, smooth, like not wearing anything, not sticky either. Looks a lot better than without a tint, has light coverage and light smoothing effect. Not oily at all, smoothing effect for sure, tint is perfect, works nicely under makeup. Number 1. Neutrogena Purescreen Plus Tinted Sunscreen. This tinted sunscreen offers broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection and a flexible shade that complements your natural skin tone. It's lightweight and blends easily for a dewy finish. It's uniquely designed with neutral undertones, making it easy to blend and complement your skin tone. Enjoy flexible coverage that looks natural. Experience a smooth, silky texture that leaves your skin looking and feeling its best. It's lightweight enough to wear daily. Shake well before use and apply generously 15 minutes before sun exposure. This water-resistant formula will keep you protected all day long. It's formulated to layer easily under makeup, making it perfect for your daily routine. Protect your skin while looking your best. It's formulated with 100% mineral actives and vitamin E to nourish and condition your skin. It's also free of parabens, oxybenzone, and fragrances. It helps protect against sun-induced aging, including wrinkles, dark spots, and discoloration. Keep your skin looking youthful and healthy. From a dermatologist-recommended brand, you can trust it to be gentle and effective on your skin. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine. What we like. It's lightweight, blends easily, and contains vitamin E to nourish your skin. If you like a lightweight sunscreen that layers well under makeup, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a sunscreen that provides broad-spectrum protection without feeling heavy or greasy. It's also a great option for those who want a sunscreen that complements their natural skin tone, providing a natural-looking finish. What people say. This is an excellent moisturizer with a tint to it. You don't even have to wear any foundation. It has a watery, lightweight consistency that feels a little oily at first, not greasy, just lightly moisturizing. Once it dries down, it leaves a soft, glowy finish that evens out my skin tone without looking cakey or chalky. There's no white cast, which is rare for mineral sunscreens. It blends in smoothly. It layers beautifully under concealer, too, no pilling or patchiness. Everything sits smoothly on top. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.